Hello student, till now we have seen what is insurance, terms in insurance, and we have also seen principles of insurance. Now we are going to see types of insurance. In that, first we have life insurance. So what is life insurance? It is a contract between insurer and insured whereby insurer, that means company, agrees to compensate the insured a certain sum on the expiry of certain period or on the death, whichever is earlier for the consideration. That means insurer जो है agree कर रहा है कि he is going to compensate you when at the expiry of period या फिर on the death, जो भी पहले हो उस पे क्या करेगा वो कंपनी जो है कंपनसेट करेगी. क्यों कंपनसेट करेगी? क्योंकि बिकॉज वी आर पेइंग प्रीमियम. Now, insurance, life insurance refers to a policy or a cover whereby policyholder can ensure financial freedom from his or her family members after death. Suppose you are earning member in your family supporting your house and children. In such an event, your death would financially devastate the whole family. Life insurance policy ensure that such a thing does not happen by providing financial assistance to your family in the event of your passing. Now, there we are going to see types of life insurance policy. First is whole life policy. As the name suggests, whole life means after your death only your nominee will get compensation. Under this policy, whole life of a person is insured. The insured cannot receive money from the insurance company till he is alive. He will not get any benefit from this policy. Okay, now the rate of premium is very normally very low. The money becomes payable on the death of the insured person to the nominee or to the legal heir of the deceased policy holder. Second is endowment insurance policy. Now this is taken for a specific period of time. The sum assured along with the bonus is given on the death of the insured to the dependent or on the expiry of a specific period. अगर डेथ नहीं होती है और पीरियड एक्सपायर हो जाता है तो उस केस में जो इंश्योर्ड है उसको पूरा लमसम अमाउंट मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट थर्ड इज टर्म इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी. इट इज टेकन फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. The term insurance policy has the lowest premium amount among all the insurance policy. Premium is fixed and does not change during the term of the policy. इन्फ्लेशन का कोई असर नहीं होता. जो प्राइस प्रीमियम जो है वो फिक्स्ड रहता है. In case of untimely death, the dependent will receive the benefit amount specified in the term life insurance agreement. Now, benefit is that it provide higher cover for less premium as compared to other life insurance product. Fourth is annuity policy. In this, insured has to pay premium in lump sum or in some installment over a certain period of time. The insured will receive back a specific sum periodically from the specified date onwards, like somewhat like pension, either for life or a fixed number of years. Fifth is money back policy. It's a combination of saving and protection. Key advantage of policy is that portion of sum assured is paid to you at a regular interval during the policy tenure, plus the remaining amount along with the bonus is paid at maturity. And this kind of benefit is not available in any other insurance policy. However, if the policyholder dies during the policy tenure, then the entire sum assured is paid to the nominee. This is despite the survival benefit that the policyholder has already received. Sixth is child insurance. It's a policy is a child insurance policy is a saving come investment plan that is designed to meet child's future financial need. A child's insurance policy allow kids to live their dreams. Child insurance policy give you the advantage to start investing in the children's plan right from the time the child is born and the provision to withdraw the saving once the child reaches adulthood. Some child insurance policy allow the intermediate विड्रॉवल एट सर्टेन इंटरवल्स। जैसे ही एक चाइल्ड बॉर्न होता है आप उसका इंश्योरेंस ले सकते हो फ्यूचर के लिए, वो मेच्योर हो गया, एडल्ट हो गया, तो उसके बाद वो पैसा उसको एक साथ लमसम में मिल जाता है, या फिर कभी कभी आप इंटरवल्स में भी मिलता है, तो इससे उसकी पढ़ाई का खर्चा या कोई मेजर खर्चा है वो शादी का, तो वो उससे पूरा हो सकता है। सेवेंथ इज रिटायरमेंट प्लान्स, a saving and investment plan that provides insured an income during the retirement is called retirement plan. On maturity, this corpus is invested for generating a regular income stream which is referred to as pension or annuity. So ये इसमें ऐसा होता है कि प्रीमियम अमाउंट है उसको जो है ये लोग इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं जिससे एक रेगुलर इनकम जनरेट हो जाती है और वो एज अ पेंशन रिटायरमेंट पे मिलती है। Next is ULIP policy, that means Unit Linked Insurance Plan, better known as ULIP, is a combination of insurance plus investment. The investments are made in debt and equities by the fund manager assigned by the insurance provider. However, the policyholder can choose whether he or she wants to invest in debt or equity and in what proportion. Somewhat like mutual fund. Though there are no guaranteed return, a lump sum amount is paid to the policyholder at maturity. However, if she or he dies during the policy tenure, the insurer pays him or her a sum assured. Benefit क्या है इसमें कि ऑल्दो गारंटी नहीं है लेकिन इसमें जो रिटर्न्स होते हैं वो हाई होते हैं। ट्रेडिशनल अगर आप पॉलिसी से कंपेयर करेंगे तो यहाँ पर रिटर्न आपको हाई मिलेगा।
Sing that shit.